Now, this is how you can find your saved passwords on iPhone after the new update. So, as you may remember, after the iOS 18, the passwords are now housed separately. Because before, in the older versions, it was all part of the settings. So you would go into the settings and just look up the passwords and see all of them in there. But right now, in the latest version, we have a dedicated and a separate app for it, which is also called password. So you have to locate it within your apps. You can also head over to the app library to find it easier. But you essentially just open it up. You need to authenticate yourself by scanning your face, and then you can get inside and browse all of the passwords. Then you've got passkeys, Wi-Fi passwords, codes, and so many different things, right? So obviously you can also just add one manually by clicking on the plus button, and then you just type in the website, username, and password. But it is much more practical to just hit save whenever you are logging in somewhere, and then your login info, including the password, will be saved inside of this app. So this is where you can essentially find it. In the future, it will likely stay this way, part of the separated application. So that is going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I can help you with this. Hit the thumbs up if I did, or if you liked the video. Subscribe for more tutorials similar to this one, and I'll see you in the future.